Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to add a link to your TikTok bio. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate and open the TikTok app on your phone. Once you are in, from the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon to open your profile page. On this page, tap on Edit Profile. Here, find the Add Link option. If this option is not available, don't worry. I will show you the best solution. Let's go back and from the top right side, tap on the three lines and from this bottom menu, open Settings and Privacy. Once you are in the Settings and Privacy, scroll down to find Report a Problem and open it. Next, tap on Account and Profile and from this sub-menu, tap on Edit Profile. Here, select the last option which is Other. From the bottom right side, tap on the No button and you will get the Need More Help option. Tap on that to move next. Once you are in the TikTok help desk, type your issue in the text bar and hit the arrow icon to send. You can proceed if the response is relevant to your problem. Otherwise, type No in the message bar and send it. Here, you will get the Submit a Ticket option. Tap to open it. Here, you need to explain your problem in detail, because now you are going to send a message to the TikTok support team and a team member will contact you shortly. You can add a screenshot or a short video clip as a reference and tap on Submit. Your problem has been successfully submitted and the support person will contact you within 24 hours to solve your issue. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.